RDDT stock analysis price predictions news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in this world who's done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years and documented them all. And because I have all the data and whatnot, I've actually seen what's making me money and what's not. 47,000 videos have been documented. Reddit is very interesting, man, because we just got broke structure of the demand area, which kind of sucks, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's over, you know, because it all started with me being bullish. Bottom line, like, yes, now we're sitting at exactly 200 bucks. When I began buying, it was like 109, right? So it was 4 months ago, we doubled, and we were a lot higher, you know, we were almost 200 bucks, 290. But in order for me to just kind of come back and be bullish yet again, I must see a shift, you know. I will need to see like a double break, and unless I really see that double break, I'm not gonna look to buy, like, truly speaking. So that's Reddit, and all I'll be doing in the meantime is I'll continue to keep waiting unless rules are met. But if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Okay, bye bye and enjoy.